Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today we have an unboxing, so make sure you guys stay tuned and I hope you guys like. So yeah, I just got this in the mail today. I'm so excited to open it with you guys. I kind of know what's in here because I've been peeping what Pixi has been posting and stuff. So let's jump into the video and let's see together what's in here. Soothing Daily Hydration, 100% vegan. You know what? I have a bunch of Pixi products and a lot of their products are very hydrating, y'all. So if you guys haven't tried any of their products, I would suggest you guys do. You guys can get them from Pixi.com, or I know they sell Pixi at Target. And sometimes I find them in Marshalls and TJ Maxx. So yeah, so this is what it looks like. Y'all, I try to pull it out and I rip the handle. So I'm going to come right back. I have to remove this stuff. I'll come right back. Y'all, this is what they just sent me. This is so cute. This is the Milky or the Milk collection. So happy. I've been wanting to try it because I know they came out with a few new collections. The Milky one. There's the lavender one that came out a few months ago. And I think there's one more. But I'm so happy they sent me this one. I can't wait to try all the products, and so I'm gonna go over what they sent right quick. Before I do that, can we talk about how freaking gorgeous this packaging is? First, when they sent out the a couple of months ago, they sent me the vitamin C collection or whatever, and y'all, it came in like a pill bottle, and that was freaking adorable because, you know, it's like a vitamin. And this is the Milky collection, and it came like milk cartons. Like, look at that. That's so cute what it says right here. So adorable. And they're like literally milk cartons. So cute. Okay, so something I just realized is that they go in steps. So from step 1 to step 6 is how you want to do your facial care. Freaking proactive. Who? Pixi's coming through. So you have your remover, your cleanser, your peel, your toner. There's a treat. I don't know what that is yet. And a moisturizer back there. What? Pixi, what you doing? Okay, so before we go any further, I just want to give you guys a 360 of the packaging. This is what it is looking like. This is the side view. This is the back view. And this is the other side. And y'all know, I always read the messages from Petra. I am thrilled to share our Hydrating Milky collection. Enriched with coconut, jojoba, and probiotics to nourish, condition, and protect your skin. Enjoy these Hydrating Milky skin treats for a Pixi perfect complexion. XOXO Petra. So this is what the packaging looks like individually. It says the type of product it is, the step, Pixi skin treats since 1999. This is the name of the actual product, which is the Hydrating Milky makeup remover. It comforts and nourishes with every serving. And remember, step number 1 is a remover. Has the same benefits as the main box did. This is basically a description, has their little information on there, and this is serving suggestions and everything else about the ingredients. And yeah, that's what the boxes look like. So those are all the names of each product. The Hydrating Milky Makeup Remover, the Hydrating Milky Cleanser, the Hydrating Milky Peel, the Milky Tonic, Hydrating Milky Serum, and Hydrating Milky Lotion. So this is a mess that I've made so far, but this is what the products are looking like right here. The peel and the serum came in boxes inside of these boxes. I don't know why it was just those two, but maybe because they're smaller products. But this is what they're looking like. So step 1 is to remove your makeup. This can remove long wearing makeup and waterproof makeup. Step 2 is basically to cleanse your face, so it gets rid of all that yucky stuff. It balances your face and conditions your skin and just makes your face basically silky. Then you have the hydrating pill, which the hydrating pill basically minimizes your pores and conditions your skin as well. The toner has oat extract in it, which is amazing. The hydrating serum, it basically just makes your face very smooth. And the lotion is great because you can put it on your body, your face, and it just hydrates so well. Yeah, so that's basically it. Like, I can go into more detail about these products and ingredients and stuff, but I can also just list it because you guys are probably tired of listening to me. Really? But yeah, I think this collection is great. I've tried the lotion and OMG, it's so hydrating. And I just can't wait. Like, I'm ready to do my face so I can use this whole system, clean my face and everything. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys leave a comment down below, and I'll see you next time. Bye.